Most Hoverplay sections restart from the beginning. This one doesn't. Hover in, the overlay slides away, the icon disappears, the video starts. Hover out, everything resets. Come back, it picks up exactly where it left off. I'm Chloe. Welcome to Mosaic in Minutes. Here's how it's built. I'm on my homepage, and down here, I want to show a video from Vimeo. Right now, this is just a regular video element, so let's swap it out. From the Add panel, I'll drop in a Vimeo element. And I'll delete the old one. Won't be needing that anymore. All right, let's set it up. On the Settings panel on the right, I'll replace the placeholder video URL. Next, I don't want it to autoplay, so keep it disabled and I'll enable mute. I don't want controls, so goodbye to those. And I'll enable privacy. Now on the Style tab, I'll set the width to 100%, and same for the height, so the video nicely covers the area. In the navigator, I have an overlay and an icon, but they're not visible right now because the Vimeo element is sitting on top. I'll increase their z-index so they appear above the video again. Much better. Now time for the interaction. I'll select the div that contains all these elements, head to the Interaction tab, and add a new hover interaction. Next, I'll select the Vimeo element and add a new action. Then select Action, Player, Play. Now let's handle the overlay. I want it to slide away when the video starts playing. On the div, I'll add a new action for Translate and choose Translate Y. I'll set the to value to 100%. That pushes it downward and out of view. And I'll drag the tween a bit shorter to speed it up. For the icon, I'll add an action too, this time opacity. Set to 0% and match the duration to the overlay. Let's take a look. And there it is. But this only handles hover in. Let's deal with hover out too. I'll duplicate the existing actions using the button in the bottom left. Now all that's left is setting the values back. For the overlay div, translate Y back to 0 pixels. For the icon, opacity back to 100%. For the video, I'll right-click the play action and delete it. We don't want it playing again on hover out. Then I'll select the Vimeo element, add a new action, and this time, Action, Player, Pause. All right, let's see the whole thing in action. Hover in. The overlay slides away. Video starts. Hover out. Everything slides back. Video pauses. Hover back in. Picks up exactly where it left off. And that's it. Vimeo, Hoverplay, no JavaScript. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and join our community. Links are in the description.